today we'll quickly show you how to connect a UI to the Kafka that has been provisioned, on the Bitnimbus platform. Well, there are many choices that you can use to provision the Kafka UI. The example that we'll be using is the Kafka UI. That's from the Provectus repo within the GitHub. So I'm already provisioned a Kafka on the platform, and here you have the cluster username, cluster password. That's available for you to copy, and then the bootstrap server. So this is what you will be using on the port 9092, which is the default port for the Kafka. That's where it'll be listening for any incoming connections. And we'll use these parameters to connect to Kafka. And to connect to the Kafka using the Kafka UI, I'm using a Docker image, leveraging a Docker Compose option, where I have already compiled the information in the Docker Compose to connect to the Kafka. So you would have to provision, you would have to list the image, define the container name, how the port needs to be forwarded, what is the port on the server, what is the port on the host. That's some of the basic stuff within the Docker Compose. And the environment section is where you would give a name to the cluster and the bootstrap address and the security protocol. At this moment, the Kafkas that are provisioned on the Bitnimbus platform, they support SASL plaintext. And then the security mechanism is SASL SHA-256, and the configuration, this is where you would define the username and password. So now I'm in the folder where I have the Docker Compose. So I'm going to run Docker Compose up. This is going to spin up my container, and it is accessible on the port 18080. So let's access the port. So here is my Kafka. So let's see. Okay, so I have my Kafka. I have only added one broker here. It's going to list my broker here, cluster and the broker. There's only one node. I can browse all the information like topics, consumers. So I don't have any topics at the moment. So I will go ahead. So this is my first topic. So number of partitions, 10. Minimum in-sync replicas, 1. Replication factor 1. This is a single node Kafka cluster, so I don't have any other choices other than that. So I'm going to create a topic. Boom, I have the topic created. And I can produce a message. So okay, so I did produce a message on the partition 1. Okay, message has been produced. Now I'm going to go to the consumers. There are no consumers. So let's take a look. So I do see the message that is sitting in the Kafka. Okay, so here is the example. So far we have